The reason how that works is inside the cylinder, there's a bottom part of the cylinder and a top part of the cylinder. The one part of the cylinder shoots the piston down, and then the air goes to the bottom part of the cylinder and shoots the piston back up. So if this band is loose, it's like a seal. So it's not sealing the air in, and the piston won't, the piston in the blade does not go back up. If it doesn't go back up far enough, if it hangs down some like that, then the staple can't get by. So when it goes up far enough, the staple will get by and the blade will be underneath it. So that's the problem with these here.